Thomas here with Much Props, going to give you another how-to video. This time we are going to build something from the Borderlands series once again. Claptrap approved. We are going to attempt to make the buzz axe from Borderlands, and we are going to, in Borderlands fashion, make it out of garbage. Let's get to building. And we are finished. Here is the end result. Fairly pleased with the overall look of it. It looks like something from Borderlands. Keep in mind this is mostly garbage. This is the handle that's left over from the plunger we used to make the canine from Doctor Who. If you hadn't watched that, go watch that video, or wherever it's at. Go watch that video if you've not watched that one. It's also got a lot of PVC kind of chopped in there, along with some polystyrene and foam bits, and there's a little bit of wire and some jewelry wire right there. But overall, I think it looks pretty cool. It is fairly sturdy. I do feel like I could actually chunk it and it not fall apart, which is nice with a prop. It'd kind of suck if you tried to cosplay with it and broke it. I like it. The rust technique, like I do on most of my rusty props, is that 3-step process. It's very simple to use. It always gives you some awesome looking realistic results because it is real rust. Maybe you'll try and make one of these yourselves and impress your friends with your Buzz Axe Borderlands building skills. Boo, 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 boo. So much so that you want one to keep, to give. He's not going to do anything with one of these. Again. Maybe you'll get some. And inevitably they're going to ask you, how'd you make that? You can give them one of these. Tell them, much props. At least it's a weapon this time, and it could hit you. I mean, I could get you with the little spiky spikes, or hit you with a little brake handle here, but we're just going to kind of slap you with it. Slap you so super hard. Yeah, take that.